Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ainur Rafiq from Studi Information System. I will make a video about smoking on campus. Smoking on campus is often a controversial topic. On the one hand, there is the argument that smoking is an individual right, and some people feel the need to smoke to reduce stress. However, on the other hand, there is a lot of evidence showing that smoking can be harmful to health, both for smokers and those around them. Campus are typical place where student health and well-being is a priority. Therefore, many campus implement smoke-free policy to create a healthier environment. This policy not only protect on smoke from exposure to secondhand smoke, but can also help smoke related or quit smoking. Overall, it is important to find a balance between respecting individual freedom and maintaining the health of the campus community. Education about the impacts of smoking and the unhealthy alternative can be a good step in addressing this issue. And here I will explain about simple present tense. Kamu tahu kan tenses yang berbentuk seperti contoh kalimat di atas adalah simple present tense. Tapi ternyata fungsi present tense nggak hanya untuk menyatakan kegiatan yang dilakukan berulang-ulang. Pelajari pengertian simple present tense dan rumus serta kalimatnya di artikel ini. Yuk. Simple present tense. What is mean simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express event that occur regularly, routinely, or usually carried out in the present. What does present mean? Present in simple present tense mean now. Tense simple mean simple, and tense is the form of the verb according to the time period used. When is present tense used? Present tense is used when some wants to express an effort or general fact that is happening right now. Apart from that, the simple present tense is also used in the conditional sentence type 0 and conditional sentence type 1 sentence pattern followed by the simple future tense. Simple present tense formula. Have you read the article about types of sentence? If so, of course, you understand that a sentence can be verbal or nominal. So what is a predicate is not always a verbal. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 s/s plus complement. For positive sentences with verbal parent is if the parent is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be plus complement. How do you make simple present tense? The following is a present tense formula that you can use. Positive subject plus to be plus complement. Negative subject plus to be plus not plus complement. Question to be plus subject plus complement. Itu seperti contoh gambar di bawah ya, teman-teman. Lanjut. Verbal simple present tense. Formula positif, negatif, dan question of the simple present tense for verbal part is. Lanjut. Positif subject verb 1 dalam kurung plus s slash s plus complement. Negatif subject plus do slash does not plus verbal 1 plus complement. Question do slash does plus subject plus verbal 1 plus complement. I after dance when the previous discussion in verbal sentences. You do not need to add to be after the subject because the task as the predicate is the verb. Itu contoh gambar. Next. So if you make a sentences with a third person pronoun as the subject dalam kurung he, she, it, singular subject. There are several verbs that must add s/s at the end. Itu contoh gambar akhir verb penambahan dan contoh. As not like common, this is for used to apply it to sentences parent. Number 1, positive affirmative simple present tense. Number 2, negative simple present tense. Number 3, simple present question / interrogative. Number 1, just like nominal verb sentences also have a positive form as we discussed at the beginning. Examples of simple present tense sentences. I have Jakarta. He live in Jakarta. Number 2, so special for negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Use do, does, or do not, don't, and does not, does as complete. I don't live in Bandung. She does live in Bandung. Number 3, in accord with the name of the type, namely yes or no question, so you only need to answer the question about it. Yes, I do. Yes, when, yes. The question, what did you think when you read we? Exactly. That is a question word in English that is attached to the letter we and her. What do I play? Who do you play? When does he play? Where does she play? Why do we play? How do they play? What are examples of simple present tense? Positive sentences. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Ron eats grass. 3. They speak English at the office. 4. He likes bananas. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentences. They don't have any money. 2. Lala does she better in the class. 3. My best friend does love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in the United Kingdom. Interrogation sentences. 1. Do they talk loud? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Does he loot? 5. Does he read the motorcycle? Team words or a verb of team apa? A verb of team in simple present tense. The adverb of teamer we will discuss was another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, teamwork are not always present in a very simple present tense sentences. However, the sentences that you think were below and definitely include in the simple present tense. Here is you should not do. Ini adalah foto tentang waktu. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentences? 1. Use verb in the basic form infinitive or no irregular verb. Example: I play soccer every weekend. Dalam kurung play is a verb in the best form. 2. Use auxiliary verbs name, do, or does form verbal sentences in negative and interrogative form. Example: She does it math. Does not auxiliary word in negative form. The subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do. Auxiliary word for question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there you are usually and verb of them such are always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, week, one, year. Example: I always drink coffee in the morning. Function and use of simple present tense. Apart from expanding facts, when can we use the simple present tense in a sentence? The answer is in the images below. Ini adalah function and use of simple present tense. Generalization or facts explaining certain facts. In the world we cannot explain X. In the world we cannot escape what is called absolute truth of general truth. Well, generalization means truth that cannot be contested. So simple present tense is a form of sentences to express consenting. Example sentences is the earth revolves around the sun. Repeat action experiencing something that always happen over and over again. If you hand the word habit, surely you can immediately with its meaning easily. Yet, the simple present tense also function to show daily habits of activities, activities or schedules that you do repeatedly. Example: we go to school by bus every morning. Express feeling and emotion. Expressing emotion and feeling. Are you sad? Or maybe you are thinking about something? Don't hesitate. You can express it using simple present tense sentences. Example of sentences: feeling. I'm sad to hear you bad news. I'm sad to hear bad news from you. Emotion. I'm always grateful because I have great best friend. I am always grateful for having good friend. The scheduled event in the near future of familiar with future condition. Discussing event in the near future. What is meant by this function is that the simple present tense is also used to discuss activities slash event that are scheduled in the near future. Apart from that, this tense is commonly used when discussing transportation schedules. For example, kereta berangkat pukul 8 pagi dan kereta akan berangkat pukul 8 pagi. Next. Command or instruction. Give commands on instruction. Have you ever watched a cooking tutorial? Don't go too far. You must often read instruction or command on your smartphone, like draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Draw a pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. Pour the juice into the cup. Kurang lebihnya begitu. Ini ada referensi dari browsing website English Academy, cuma satu ya. Ya, kurang lebih begitu. Mohon maaf yang sebesar-besarnya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.